Yesterday I made a video showing you my top 3 web hosting companies, the ones that I use and like the best. Today I'm going to show you the number 1 web hosting company that I like, and I'm going to show you why it's better than other companies. If you're new here, my name is Bruce. I'm an SEO expert. I've helped small businesses, medium-sized businesses, and large businesses get more traffic from appearing at the top of search engines like Google. And I work in this business every day, and this is just stuff that I've learned, and I make these videos to help you. Maybe you can learn something that'll help your business, and today's video I think will really help you. So yesterday I showed you how my number 1 favorite web host is WPX because they are the fastest and they have the best support. And I've been using them for since 2020. They're my number 1 recommendation. And so I just did a test just yesterday, and I wanted to show you the results. So the test was if you just Google Page Speed Insights, Google's free tool will come up. You can drop any domain, but you can drop your domain in there and see how quickly your domain loads. So this test is unique in that this is basically the exact same website on 2 different hosts. So what I did is I have a website. It's got about 500 pages on it. I duplicated the website using the all-in-one WP migration plugin, and I moved it to, so I kept one of the original domain is at WPX, the host that is my favorite. And then the other one is on a brand new domain that's never been used. And I copied the entire website. So everything transfers, all the URLs transfer, it looks exactly the same. It's weird if you go to it because it has the other website's name on it, on like the text and images and stuff. But it's the exact same website on a different domain. Same theme, same plugins, same everything. So 2 different websites, it's the same website on 2 different domains, and importantly, 2 different hosting companies. So this is the duplicated website, and this is on HostGator. HostGator is not one of my top 3 recommended web hosting companies. I mean, they're fine. I use them for my websites I don't care about and my PBNs and stuff like that. They're fine, but they're not where I would put websites that are very important to me. Their service isn't good. And in this in particular, we're talking about speed, page speed, how quickly your website loads when somebody clicks on it from an ad or from a Google search result or Bing or whatever, right? So this is actually pretty decent. This, as you can see right here, it's highlighted. This is the desktop version of the website. This is the duplicated website. It's exactly the same, just on a new URL, right? And it got a 96 out of 100 in terms of page load speed, right? That's solid, right? Let's go to the next one. Whoops. Okay, now I'm going off the file name. I named the file so I could keep track of which is which. I had to block out my website because I can't show my sites. They'll get messed with. So this is the same website on HostGator, but this is the mobile version, right? And most people, most web traffic is on mobile these days, so mobile is very important. But mobile's always going to load slower than desktop, or at least now. Maybe some technology will come by in the future, but for the last 10 years, this is how it's been. So this is normal, right? So we had a 74 here and then like a 96 in terms of performance, in terms of how quickly it loads with the desktop version, right? So this is HostGator. Now, this is what we're going to look at next is the exact same website on WPX. We're going to look at the desktop version first. So here's the desktop version on WPX. The performance is 99 out of 100. That's performance is page load speed, how quickly your website loads. On HostGator, it was a 96. On WPX, it's a 99. I did nothing else to the website, no optimizations in terms of like all the crazy stuff you can do to make a website load faster, nothing. This is just purely the performance of two different web hosts. This is the one I recommend. So it's the same website. On WPX, it loads quicker. And loading, I mean, we all have TikTok brains these days, right? We need instant gratification. Otherwise, we hit the back button, we keep scrolling, we do something else. Page load speed is incredibly important. And just by switching to a better web host, you can dramatically improve your page load speed. I know 96 to 99 isn't like night and day, but when you're dealing with people with TikTok brains, which is most people, that's me too, it really matters. And the difference in pricing for a year of this stuff is not much, considering like even if that difference got you like 1 or 2 customers a year, it would pay for itself. So now let's look at the mobile version. We've got an 85. 85 out of 100, of course, and you can see the image file name up here, WPX, right? So this is better than the other one. I think the other one was in the 70s. We'll look at it. But 99 on desktop, 85 on mobile. That's good. Mobile, you know, as you know, you've gone to different websites. It loads slower on a phone, and it's just frustrating. And people hit the back button all the time. I'm the same way. I'm no different than everybody else. I can't wait either. So we want this as fast as possible. Again, this is the same website. I had to block it out so no one can see it. Same website on 2 different hosts. Now, this is the mobile on WPX. We got an 85. Where is it? This is the mobile on HostGator. We got a 74. So all you have to do is switch to a better web hosting company, and all of a sudden, it's amazing. Your website works better and faster. You don't have to do anything complicated that's going to break your website. They will move your website for you. It's great. You just fill out a ticket, and the customer service is tremendous. Like, you can fill out support tickets with WPX. Most of the time, I get stuff done immediately through the chat. I don't wait. I do the chat, and they're right there all the time. So I hope you found this helpful. If you do have any questions about the importance of getting good web hosting, I mean, this is like low-hanging fruit, right? This is one of the easiest things you can do to make your online presence better, right? If you have any questions about that, leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer you. I've helped dozens and dozens of clients get better web hosting, because when they come to me, they just get some cheap stuff, some GoDaddy stuff, some like whatever, wherever they get the domain, they get the web hosting there or something, or they cheap out and just get cheap web hosting. And you know what? A lot of times they just don't even know this stuff. It's right. They're better at being dentists or roofers or stuff like that, which is totally understandable. But once they see this, once I explain it to them and I'm like, here, go here if you want to improve this, it's a done deal. I've helped a lot of businesses improve just by getting better hosting. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Share this with somebody who has a website that needs some help. I mean, I really can't say it enough. I know it sounds boring, but just get better web hosting. It took me, when I first got into this business, about 2 years. 2 years. I mean, people were telling me how important it was, but to actually see it every day, and then, I made the switch. Anyway, hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next video.